This is a new park that they built. They haven't had this since I've been out here last.
Me and Kim are gonna go.
You can go? Be careful, don't forget y'all have your phones. Damn, homeboy strong. Y'all gonna be strong like him.
No, we're going all the way across.
You better watch those family jewels. Are you getting stuck or what? It's a slide once you get to this end.
Yo, try to go out with no net. Oh, that hurts my quads.
Your quads, man. Oh, that looks cool though, guys.
We'll do a flip.
A flip? Boy, you nuts.
You can't quite slide because that makes
He'll depants you on your way down. Daniel, you crazy, son. Jesus Christ. You're going. Don't be making yourself sick. All right. Y'all are nuts. Where'd that green ball come from? Oh my goodness. You guys got skills. 3D ball.
This is first person view of me riding it. I'm gonna be holding on one hand, so this is pretty risky. Oh! Dude, 2 hands is required. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh! Dude, stop. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Dude, this thing is so hard to do on one hand. Oh, dude, that's so scary. It's too big. No, that's supposed to be it.
push up.
Aye.
Okay. Squiggly. Hold on.
That's some American Ninja Warrior stuff there. If you could do that. Y'all are crazy. Just watch the little kids.
I changed my step. I was like, whoa.
What in the honky tonk was that, brother?
I got this.
Y'all look like some kind of mutant crab. Y'all better not get sick.